a sleep apnea lady. Hey, what happened to you?
I had sleep apnea for years and not being able to sleep or breathe properly and waking up going to sleep. So if you have it, Jesus will take it from you and give you the best night's sleep out. I just had such good night's sleeps like the last 3 nights, and I praise God and thank God for that.
And God took away the snoring.
Oh yes, my kids are going to be amazed. I'm not going to snore. They're going to be amazed that no noise is coming from Mum anymore.
Great, all you blokes. I tell you, whilst bring them out, we'll just pray for them. Lord, bless this lady. Bless this lady. Here's a lady who couldn't sleep.